Workplace Safari for us is we set it up to bring students into the company. We allow them to visit all areas of the business. We can showcase every career path. We can really give them a really good understanding of different pathways that they can take within an organisation.
Whitecroft's view on this and what we want to gain as an organisation is two or threefold really. At a professional level, we're really looking for talent. So we really want to engage with young people in the local area, bring them through and help build the business in the future. And I guess on a personal level, it's about giving something back to the local community and the people that live around us.
The way that people spoke about their jobs today was definitely inspiring to seek out a job that I love and that I want to share with other people too.
It is very inspiring to see the amount of women, as this type of workforce is mainly stereotyped to men, and I feel like that is very eye-opening to see.
I think the young people today responded really positively and they were genuinely shocked. We were surprised how big it was, how clean it is, the variety of roles that are covered in the one building here. So I think that the feedback generally was really positive.
In terms of staging an event like this, the guys at GMCA are amazing. We've now got it down to a fine art. I think there's 2 to 3 a month we're running sort of thing. So it's become very easy to do and it's almost become natural for us as an event.
As teachers, we would always encourage local businesses to host workplace safaris, as it allows our pupils here to experience different workplaces and different industries on their doorstep, which eventually will promote local growth and boost the local economy.
It's been lovely to give back and just reflect on the engagement we get across the organisation is just fantastic. It has a big impact on the business, big impact on our ability to bring talent into the organisation, and it's a no-brainer for me.